10 reasons why you should not learn how to read music on guitar. Reason number 1, it's time consuming. I ask my students to spend about 10 minutes a day on their reading studies. Reason number 2, it's not fun. There's simply not enough good music that uses standard music notation for you to analyze, study, and play. Reason number 3, it's so mechanical. What are you going to do with all that technique? And those skills that allow you to transfer information from instrument to instrument, what is that, some kind of party trick? Reason number 4, nobody good knows how to read music. Reason number 5, it looks like you're showing off when you jot down your musical ideas in a way that clearly communicates with others. Reason number 6, it takes effort. By practicing with effort, you may find that your ability to focus and concentrate on other things that are important to you in your life is also improved. Reason number 7, when people find out that you know how to read music, it might not be your cool outfits that get you the gig. You might just get a gig because you know how to read and write charts. Reason number 8, you may have to make some space in your guitar studio to accommodate a bookshelf that will house all of the sheet music and music theory books that you're now able to comprehend. All jokes aside, if you'd like a free sample from the Guitar Lesson Companion Volume 1, the link is in the comments. It's recommended by instructors all over the country, including faculty at Berklee College of Music. Reason number 9, you're probably going to spend more money than you want on software notation programs, as well as really cool notebooks to jot down your musical ideas. Reason number 10, you're going to get frustrated with most guitar method books because the exercises don't sound good, they skip around a lot, and guitar teachers just don't like them. But eventually you'll discover the Guitar Lesson Companion. Thank you.